Just like that, side skirt is in. I'm so excited to get a car off the lift. Shall we just slam it? Stop it. So what do we have here? A lot of packaging. Driftshop.com sponsor me. We have a wheel alignment bolt, extended bolts, and spacers itself. Rich Viper Media is back again, and today I'm very excited. We're gonna be putting on spacers because the car been sitting like this for the entire week. So we're gonna be installing some spacers, and then after that we'll throw on M Sport side skirts, because why not? And let me show you how the car is sitting right now. So the back is fine, but the front is literally against the shock. So we're gonna take this off. We got 15mm spacers from driftshop.com sponsor. So let's get the wheel off. I only finger tied it. Oh, strong fingers. Jeez. The car has been sitting on jacks all this week. And she's about ready to go now. And I know it's 15mm for the front and I have nothing for the back yet, so it's gonna look stupid. But that's okay, because I didn't know 15s are gonna fit well in the front, so I didn't wanna buy it for nothing. So if the 15s are too much for the front, then I'll order 10mm for the back, for the front, and use the 15s for the back. But if it fits right, then I'm gonna place an order for 20mm for the back as well, because I didn't know what size to get. So that's the story. I'm so excited to get a car off the lift. It's been sitting for way too long. And as you can see, brand new tires on them now. Well, not brand new, but only about a month or so. Now, where are the limo spacers? Spacers coming in. Let's see. Perfect fitment. With the holes match. Super. And now this tool, why do we need it? Because this will move every time you put on the wheel. So you align the wheel. Well, that tool is useless, it's the wrong size. It's alright. We have to go without it somehow. So okay, we put on the thingy. I'm gonna put on the wheel. Kinda pissed about it. Paid €15 for that. For absolutely nothing. And they wrote that these balls fit 15 to 20mm spacers. I hope they're fucking right. Okay, let's tighten them up a bit. Okay, where is it touching? I don't see where is it touching. Oh, the very bottom. Oh, there we go. So far it looks like, oh, that fitment is gonna be on point. I can tell you right now. So what spacer should I get for the back then? Because they're like missing. So the spacers are on this side and on this side. These nuts didn't wanna go in at all. But I got a bit of WD-40 and it slid right through. Yeah, so now we're gonna change this ugly side skirt. And to change side skirts, all you need is 8mm bolts, 8mm socket, and a little star yoke. That's all it takes. There is one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, all the way to the front. Another one. One more at the front. And there's actually what, 4, 5, 6 of them in here in total, the plastic bolts. And then we have last 8mm bolt in the front. So once you have all the bolts out, you're gonna kind of slightly open the door and just pull on it. You have some resistance. Keep the doors open. And get a bit more. Now just the front. The last corner. And we're out. The amount of dirt in there. Holy shit. Look at all the years of fucking. Anyhow, old one out and the new one coming in. So now again, we're gonna align it. The bigger part goes at the back. So we started to finish at the front, so we're gonna start at the front now. Grab it. That needs to be open a bit. Okay, one clip is in. You probably don't see much, but literally lift and push. Open that door a bit. Now lift. All the front clips are in. Now the back. Everything just clicks into place. And then what's left to do is just to put in the bolts back in. Just like the side skirt is in, you do the same on the other side. The car will need a wash. There's the other side. Now we'll lower it, see how the front wheels look like. With the beautiful spacers inside. So we just slam it. Pop it. Suspension need to sit. Oh wow, the gap is actually perfect. Look at that, full wash. Wow. Bees attacking me. That is beautiful. From the back. So rears, I'd say they need like 20 mil or something. Oh yeah, the front is literally amazing. 15 mil spacer, spot on for that. Like look at it, it's literally just out. Beautiful. Right, so that's it for today. We're gonna end it there. I have E60 outside as well. And then we have 2 bumpers left. So next thing I'll put the rear bumper. Yeah, so that's it. Rich Viper Media, signing out. The wheels are still for sale. We're gonna be doing bumpers, I think. Oh yeah, and I got the little caps as well. So I got these brand new BMW caps. I got these coming as well. But this will go only after I repaint it. Because the paint job on that, absolutely ridiculous.